I just bought a dump valve from Temu. Here it is. And I'm about to install it on my Jetta Mark 6. Yes, I'm just having a challenge with this dowel here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna trim it a bit, then I'll feed it now. Yeah, just a couple of seconds trimming this dowel now, this plastic dowel. So I managed to trim it. Now it fits properly like OEM. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fit it now. Yeah, they provided me with much longer bolt to hold it up now. The OEM, they're quite short. Yeah, this looks like OEM. The screws, they can get it nicely, like as if they're original ones. Yeah. So it's just a couple of seconds away. We're going to hear how it's going to sound. Yes, it's there. So I fully installed it, and I'm just gonna kick it now. Just checking there. Everything is in order. Let me remove this here. And these, you're gonna have to keep them safe in case you want to uninstall it. I'm just gonna test it now. Yeah, so I'm going to test it now. Just gonna test it and feel it. Oh, good is the sound. Good is the sound. Yeah. Yeah. It's on now. Just gonna make it raise a bit of some oil since I haven't run it. It's just morning time now. Yeah, boy. Can you hear the sound of it? Yeah, nice. Ah, it's nice. It's not bad. It's not bad. I can hear it. It's not too loud though. It's not too loud. But yeah.